Good afternoon. Today we are going to see function overloading and function overriding in Java. Now here you can see that I have created class A. The same class I have inherited in the class B with the help of keyword extends, and there is one more class R. Now here you can see that in class A there is a show method. Here I am in show method, I am printing I am in A. There are two methods in class A, void test and void test. Now function overloading is nothing but in a same class we can define multiple methods with the same name, but the signature of the method should be different. Means what? Here you can see that in first test we are passing no parameters, and in second method here we are passing one integer parameter. Also we can create multiple methods with the same name, but the number of parameters that we are passing to the test method should be different, and the type of the parameters also can be different. Then we can create multiple methods with the same name in the same class. This is called as function overloading. So here you can see that we can call, here I have called a.test, so it will call the first test method because we have not passed any parameter to this particular test whenever we are calling it. But whenever I am calling this second, that is here I am calling a.test with parameter 1, that 1 is nothing but the integer, so it will automatically call this second test method based on the type of the signature of the method. So this is nothing but the function overloading. Now what is function overriding? Now here we can see that class A is extended into class B. Now in class B show method is there, and in class A show method is there. So whenever we inherit the members of the one class into other class, what happens? Because the show method name in class A and class B is same, so the class B show will override class A show. So here whenever we are calling b.show, it will call the show method in the class B, but here in class B it will print I am in B. Along with that, what I have done, I have written super.show. So this super keyword is used to call the members of the super class. So for class B, the class A is the super class, so here it will call the method show of class A. So function overloading is nothing but we can declare or we can define multiple methods with the same name but with different signature, that is number of parameters and type of the parameters in the same class. And function overriding is nothing but the name of the member in parent class and child class is same, so automatically what happens, the child class members will hide the members in the parent class, and if you want to access the members of the parent class, we need to use the keyword super. Thank you.